Have you ever said, I wish we had a valve here so we could repair that broken hydrant? Or I wish we had a valve here to replace the old one that stopped working? Or I wish this old section of town had more control points? You could shut down your system to address the issues, but that option could lead to other unintended consequences, such as supply disruption to important facilities, such as hospitals, manufacturing plants, and schools. Loss of fire protection. Water sampling, lab, and rechlorination costs. Notification of shutdown and issuing of boil orders. Loss of treated water during draining or purging. Loss of water revenue. Any of these could cause significant expense and derail your project. There is a better way. The 4 through 12 inch Insta-Valve 250 insertion valve from Hydra-Stop, a permanent insertable valve that installs without shutdown or service interruption. The Insta-Valve 250 is currently offered in 4 through 8 inch sizes, with 10 and 12 inch sizes under development and available in the second quarter of 2016. Insta-Valve 250 features include an epoxy-coated carbon steel bonnet on the standard Insta-Valve 250 and a 304 stainless steel valve bonnet for the Insta-Valve 250 Patriot series. Both provide protection from internal pressures and external corrosives. A corrosive-resistant 304 stainless steel valve body designed to handle working pressures up to 250 psi. A steel, standard-sized valve operating nut. 304 stainless steel bonnet and mounting hardware. A 304 stainless steel 1.5 inch valve stem which operates at a standard 3 turns per inch and available in open left or right configurations. A no-lead brass stem collar conforming to NSF 372. The Insta-Valve 250 valve cartridge wipe seal, and the reinforced resilient wedge act as the heart of the Insta-Valve 250. The reinforced composite polymer valve cartridge is engineered for strength and corrosion protection and is resistant to chlorine, chloramines, and operational abrasion. The cartridge wipe seal works in tandem with the reinforced resilient wedge to provide watertight seals and handle a lifetime of demanding 250 psi working pressures. The Insta-Valve 250 is certified to comply with NSF 61 for use in drinking water systems. The Insta-Valve 250 is also lead-free and classified in accordance with NSF 372 to comply with the low lead requirements of the Safe Water Drinking Act. The Insta-Valve 250 is America Iron and Steel Act compliant and meets Buy America, Buy American, and Made in USA requirements. The Insta-Valve 250 installs without shutting down water service to hospitals, manufacturing plants, schools, and apartment complexes. It also ensures critical services such as fire protection remain operational. The Insta-Valve 250 is versatile. It can be used on many different types of pipes and installed in any orientation. It is compact enough to fit in areas where other insertion valves or traditional valves won't fit. Install the Insta-Valve 250 valve body. Mount the temporary gate valve. Mount the Hydra tapper. Make the line tap. Tried and true line tap methods are used, and coupon retention is utilized for inspection, evaluation, and verification purposes. Prepare for valve cartridge insertion. Set depth and alignment using the Hydra-Stop alignment gauge kit. Insert the Insta-Valve 250 valve cartridge. Pin the valve cartridge in place. Completion pins are backed out 1/4 of a turn to allow valve cartridge to self-center. Remove installation equipment. Install the valve bonnet and operating nut. Insta-Valve 250 installation is now complete. The Insta-Valve is permanently installed and ready to provide a lifetime of bidirectional operation. Compare for yourself. The IV250 Patriot Series is the only insertion valve which offers all of the following features as standard. When choosing an insertion valve for your distribution system, make sure you specify an insertion valve with the following attributes. Made in the USA, including mounting hardware from domestically sourced materials. Also meets Made in US standards. Certified to NSF 61 and NSF 372 standards. Traditional line tapping methods shall be used for the installation of all insertion valves to allow removal of a single coupon for system evaluation. Reaming the pipe, complete removal of a section of the pipe, either top or bottom, or milling a slot in the pipe shall be prohibited. Features a stainless steel valve body, valve stem, and valve bonnet for unmatched strength and corrosion resistance. Insertion valves shall be factory pressure tested and serialized for traceability before leaving the manufacturing facility to assure quality. For more information on the Insta-Valve 250 and the complete Hydra-Stop system, visit the Hydra-Stop website at www.hydra-stop.com. Contact your regional sales manager. Contact information for your sales manager is available on the Hydra-Stop website. Call your inside sales manager at 800-538-7867. Specify the best. Specify the Insta-Valve 250 insertion valve, only from Hydra-Stop.